We got some massive news for UnitedHealth stock investors as the company recently held a conference call with Wall Street analysts and revealed critical insights about the latest developments inside the company. I'm going to share with you those details here and describe what it could mean for UnitedHealth stock investors. So the company's management team tried to summarize the difficulties it's having and saying, in short, most encounters are intensifying in services and costing more. That's what's causing the business to decline the way it has. Of course, the stock price is down over 53% year to date in 2025. And that means people are visiting their doctors more often. And when they are visiting the doctors, they're needing more service than usual. And that is something the company miscalculated. They didn't think it was going to be this bad or this much. And if they had known, they would have bid higher prices. They would have tried to price the premiums higher so that they can be compensated for the increase in service that people will seek out. The management team went on to say that I had initially assumed Medicare Advantage medical cost trend of just over 5% when thinking about our 2025 bids. But we now expect the full year 2025 to be approximately 7.5%. So they initially thought the cost increase would be just over 5%. It turns out it's just over 7.5%. So the cost increase is actually 50% higher than the management team initially projected. And of course, since their pricing policy is not flexible, they can't go and change that now. They have to wait until next year when they can change their pricing policy and account for the accelerating high cost to serve. And of course, unfortunately, people will likely be paying higher for healthcare next year and probably the year after that, and the year after that, and the year after that. Healthcare costs here in the United States for decades have been increasing at a rate much faster than the rate of increase in inflation, as the medical system is all discombobulated here. Between who's paying and how you're paying and getting insurance through your work or getting insurance through the Affordable Care Act, through different systems. It's a mess. And so consumers have been complaining, and recent legislation in the Big Beautiful Bill has even more changes in the system. So it's not likely to improve anytime soon.
Click the link below to watch the full video.